Howdy, howdy, howdy. This is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's about to happen, guys. We've got a big, huge week that's about to happen for cryptocurrencies and everything out there, guys. So we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about everything related to crypto, guys, but something big is about to happen this week, guys. So let's get into the content without any further delay. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos, guys, and do consider to become channel members. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to lick the likes, smash the likes, and show some lovely love for the OG out there, guys. So we've got a big week happening this week after the Easter long weekend, guys. So happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. So what do we got happening? On the 10th, not too much happening, but on the 12th, we have core CPI data that's coming, guys. And this is absolutely a big one. This will actually tell us and denote what is going to be the mood of the Fed out there, guys. And this is really going to let us know if we're going to continue to see more rate hikes or we're going to see more rate hikes going down. So this is a very pivotal point for cryptocurrency and the broader markets out there. So that's pretty good. Also, then we got the next day core PPI data coming out. Then we have on the 14th, we have U.S. retail sales coming out. So that is kind of interesting. So a lot of stuff is going to be happening. And then followed by that, absolutely followed by that in around about, let me give this a bit to refresh. And guys, if you love this content like I love you guys, don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. And it looks like, you know, in 3 weeks, 2 days, we've got the official rate hikes that is coming, guys. So that's what's going on. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. So the fear and greed index right now is still at 61, 62. So it's gone up. It's gone up very slightly out there. So not too shabby. We're still on track. We're seeing that mainly Bitcoin is pretty boring right now. Crypto is pretty boring. We're seeing this whole accumulation that is happening. We're seeing that the next halving will be April 6, 2024, and that is less than a year away. Less than a year away. Let that sink into the brain pan, guys and gals. So what are we seeing for what we're seeing for Bitcoin right now? So right now, for the price of Bitcoin has actually done pretty good. Yesterday, if you watch my previous videos, you saw that Bitcoin was looking not so good. And we have very happily gone above our blue line, guys. And I've been talking to you about this, that below the blue line is bearish, but above the blue line is very bullish, guys. So I'm going to be showing you some more data for Dogecoin and Bitcoin that shows you it's about to happen. It's happening. It is about to happen, guys. So buckle up. We're seeing that Bitcoin is above 28,429, and that is pretty good. And you know, we did try to go up here to this point yesterday. We did try to hit a high of 28,600. We got rejected at the red line. So hopefully, as you can see, Bitcoin is trending up. We have this point of confluence, and if we get a rejection here, then it's over for Bitcoin. On the short term, guys, definitely over. So this is really, you know, where the bulls and bears need to fight it out. And I have a feeling that we're going to get past there, guys. Just my feeling. I could be wrong out there. And guys, like I said in my previous video, Bitcoin has been really boring. We've kind of been stuck in this range for 24 days out there, guys. So that's what that's all about. That is absolutely what that is all about, guys. So, you know, if you take a look at what's going on with Ethereum before we get to Dogecoin. So Ethereum is also doing some good stuff as well. It's still below my blue line. It's trying to trend back up. We're seeing we're still well above the EMA ribbons out there. So, you know, my next big resistance line, once we can get past this area, then we have a big, huge fight that's going to happen between Ethereum, bulls, and bears. And that should be happening. Let me get my face out of the way. That should be happening. Probably we could be seeing that happening sometime end of April, guys, that we should have this big showdown. And we should crack a lock past $2,000. And that will confirm that the bull is there, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin. So guys and gals, look at this. Very interesting. Yesterday, we did see that there was a big rejection down to the 20-day EMA. We did see that right now the Dogecoin is trading at 0.832, and that is just on our blue line. So it looks like, you know, there's a fight now between the bulls and bears, and who will win, we do not know, guys. But if we get a rejection below this line here, and we go below the EMA ribbons, then it's good night, Nancy, and we're going down to 0.75 out there. So that's what that's all about. But Dogecoin on the 3-month is still looking pretty fine and dandy. If you take a look at the tokenomics for Doge, let me give this a minty refresh. Dogecoin 111, guys, let's get it. We're seeing that Dogecoin is up 1.80%, so that is not too shabby. If you take a look at the heat map, guys, just to kind of give you an overview and picture visually of what is going on, we're seeing that most of the cryptocurrencies have come back. So that is good news out there, guys. Absolutely good news out there. We're seeing that the volumes are still pretty light, though, down on 9.75%, just below half a billion dollars. And we're seeing the market cap is going up right now. So if you take a look at the coins overall, we're seeing right now that the total market cap is at 1.19, so we're up compared to where we were yesterday. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is coming up and Ethereum dominance is going down, so we're seeing that more liquidity is now flowing back into Bitcoin. That's very interesting. We're seeing Bitcoin is up 1.16%, Ethereum is up at 1861. We're seeing BNB is up at 1312. We're seeing XRP is neutral out there, and that is at 50 cents, guys. 50 cents for XRP. We're seeing Cardano is also up 0.5%, and that's at 39 cents. And Dogecoin is fighting back, guys. Fighting back. It's at 1.78%, and we flipped Polymatic right now and take the number 8 spot out there, guys. So, and we're actually doing pretty good. We're seeing that the market cap is 11.5 and the Polymatic market cap is 10.1. So, if we need to flip Cardano, we have some ways to go, but it's very possible out there. And we're seeing Shiba Inu is up right now with some talk of Shiba Inu coming and all that kind of stuff, guys. So interesting stuff. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money for Dogecoin right now? We're seeing that right now. Dogecoin, pow. We're seeing that right now. We're seeing that 57% are in and 38% are out. Who's talking about Dogecoin? Are you talking about Dogecoin? So we're seeing that Dogecoin social sentiment on the week is still skyrocketing, and that has to do with the whole Elon Musk Twitter blue logo being replaced by the Dogecoin meme, guys. But on the daily right now, we are seeing that the social mentions for Dogecoin is coming up, so that is pretty good. We're seeing social engagements are off, and that is because people on a Easter holiday out there. We're seeing social dominance is also up, so not too shabby. News-wise, we do have Dogecoin, Burger King, and Twitter, and basically Burger King said, BBR, I'm making a Bitcoin. So that was kind of interesting out there, and maybe they're going to be accepting Dogecoin as payment. So let's hopefully that's going to happen. Gideon up out there. Looks like Dogecoin co-founder snaps at Bitcoin limitations and CZ debate. So basically, there's this whole post I did cover in my Twitter, and and in my previous video it says that there's 56 million millionaires in the world and only 1 million people with more than one Bitcoin. Do the math, guys. So he's kind of alluding to the fact that there's not enough Bitcoin to go around for all the millionaires. And then Billy Marcus kind of came out and said, I did the math and I came with there's only enough Bitcoin for each person to have 0.02625 Bitcoin each day, making it terrible as a currency. And he's kind of alluding, well, look, Dogecoin absolutely solves this. There's enough Dogecoin for everyone out there. So that's kind of interesting, guys. So there was a bit of a spitty spat between Dogecoin founder and CZ out there, guys. So, guys, did you know that U.S. bank deposits fell by nearly 65 billion last week? The 10th straight weekly drop, guys, and that is not good out there. So some good news. It looks like, there's this whole story about Elon Musk and the two largest wallets that sold 1.4 billion out there of Dogecoin. And some people were kind of saying, look, this is probably Elon Musk. And Michel Bar came out and says, of course they aren't. They're obviously two hot wallets from exchanges. The first one from Robinhood, guys. So interesting. These are hot wallets. So it's not Elon Musk out there. So looks like good news for Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin is forming a triangle above the ascending support line, which connects two previous higher highs. This shows a Bitcoin, the sign of strength. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is getting stronger and getting ready to go uppity up as we break out of this ascending triangle. So good news there, guys. Bullish. We're seeing that the Bitcoin and altcoin, a total 2-week market cap, we are about to break out, guys. Total market cap is successfully broken out of the ascending broadening wedge and is now trying to close over the super guppy as well. Highly bullish, guys. Highly bullish. So this is bullish, guys. More and more evidence that it is going to be bullish out there. We're seeing the 2020, 2023 fractal out there. We're seeing very much a similar setup. We had this whole capitulation, and right now we're about to break above the base right now. So that is pretty good. If we can get above the base, we could be seeing a nice moonshot for Bitcoin and Dogecoin, guys. So, guys, interesting. Retweet if you were part of one of these tiny first bars. So you can see here that the number of users over time over the internet is growing. And there's over 5 billion daily users on the internet, guys. So just let that sink in, 5 billion. And remember, this is the whole adoption curve of internet users, and right now Bitcoin is right here. And can you imagine if we follow the same adoption curve for Bitcoin and Dogecoin? It's going to be huge, guys. Absolutely huge. Did you guys know that the daily time spent on using the internet is basically, we're seeing that worldwide average is 6.53 minutes every day for every human being worldwide, guys. So interesting enough out there. Guys, overview of the internet use. Did you know there's a total of 5 billion internet users as a percentage of population? 63% of all people are using the internet. Year-on-year change in the number of internet users is up 4%, 196 million. And did you guys know the average daily time spent using the internet by each internet user is 6 hours and 53 minutes? And guys and gals, did you know that 92% of all internet users use their mobile phones, guys? So interestingly, just imagine if Bitcoin can have the same adoption as the internet, and I think it will come. It's just a matter of time, time. Guys, you can see that recession trade is in the works. We're seeing that bonds are rising, silver is rising, and gold is rising. Right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin, right now, there's a huge correlation between the gold rising and NASDAQ rising. And if gold continues to rise, we're going to see a Bitcoin actually boom, guys. Did you know the PBOC is buying gold aggressively for the first time since 2018? So looks like the People's Republic of China is buying gold. They're buying gold, guys. And I believe that they're looking to have the renminbi backed by the gold standard, guys. So that's interesting. That is actually interesting out there. Bitcoin's correlation to gold is the highest it's been in years. Surprisingly, it's surpassing its correlation with the S&P. Interesting out there. And like I said, if gold price starts to go up with this correlation, we're going to see a Bitcoin go to the moon, guys. And interestingly, I talked about this, but it's good to rehash that every 3 to 4 years, Bitcoin recovers from a heavy bear market. Easter has typically been a starting point for a run in the upcoming weeks. And right now, you can see in Easter 2012, after Easter, we did see that Bitcoin went up 253%. We did see that in 2019, 167%. And we did see in Easter in 2016, 94%. So guys and gals, if that happens again, we could be seeing a $38,000 to $40,000 Bitcoin from here. And right now we can see that Bitcoin right now looks like it's starting to break out, guys. So happy Easter, happy Easter out there, guys. Happy Easter, and hopefully we'll have this Easter pump out there. So it's a great time to be alive. Woo! And guys, this is from Plan B. Yes, this color scheme is better because it aligns with green, red candles on Bitcoin bull and bear markets. So right now we can see that right now we're in the blue, and here we go. Early bull, guys. We are here right now. So this is more confirmation from a whole bunch of sources that the bull run is here and we're about to blast off. But remember, guys, it's happening. We have a big week ahead for Dogecoin, big week ahead for Bitcoin. And don't forget, don't sleep, that we have on the 4th of the 20th, something big is going to be coming out from Elon Musk. There's going to be a huge announcement, guys. So that is going to be cool. That is absolutely fantastic, guys. And don't forget, on March 11, 2023, Bitcoin plummeted to the midline of the envelope, which I told you to display the same quantities as a healthy pullback. So we're seeing this healthy pullback right here. And you know, every time we have this healthy pullback, we often have a rise, guys, and a smooth curve to the top, and followed by a parabolic rise, guys. So looks like parabola or healthy correction, guys. Let's find out. I believe that we're going to have a huge parabolic rise to the top side, very similar that we had in 2021, guys. So what do you guys think about that? What are you guys to think about? Remember, to continue healthy price action, there could be a correction from here or slightly higher prices. Guys, let me know what you think, guys. And don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get a hardware wallet. The link is below. And guys, don't forget to be part of the conversation. Don't miss a notification from our friends at YT. Do not miss a beat, guys. And what's going on for Shiba Inu right now? Shiba Inu is also trading sideways at 1185, and it's looking like it's attempting to break out past the 1100 range out there, guys. So let's take a look at the tokenomics of Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin right now, we're seeing for Bitcoin around about 68%. Dogecoin 111, 69% of all Bitcoin holders are in the money and 25% are out, guys. So interesting. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. And what we got for Shiba Inu happening. Shiba Inu out there. Load some more. Let's load some more. Let's get Shiba Inu out there. So right now for Shiba Inu, who's in the money? who's out of money. So we got 31% in the money and 64% out of the money, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Do not forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. Follow. Go back and watch all of the videos. Guys, we got tons of information out here, guys. Get on my Twitter. Don't miss a beat, guys. If you want to know all the internet news, go out there, take a look at that, guys. And also, do not forget to get the merch gear with the OG gear. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Be well, be blessed. Peace out.